Hello everybody. I am Zakaria the Ghostwriter. It's been a while without uploading content on this TikTok, and also I've been creating a lot of content on YouTube for the past 5 years. I was not consistent, but I'm going to upload a lot of videos on TikTok and also on YouTube daily. Expect a lot of videos where you can see all these road signs that you've been studying on your K53 app, all those road signs that you've been studying on your K53 book. My intention is to expose you to South African roads. My intention is to show you things that you've been studying on your app, that those things are real. You went through the learner's test, you passed it, and you should study your subject. I have noticed that majority of new drivers, they only focused on getting their driver's license, but they don't know nothing about South African roads. When they're driving on these roads, they come across those twists and turns, those curves, and they end up involved in unnecessary accidents simply because of they don't study the subject. And I also realized that it's only few people who are creating content about South African roads. So it's needed. I've been uploading that type of content on YouTube, but I should put that content on TikTok and also on Facebook. So if you come across content with low quality, guys, please don't be angry. These are videos which have been recorded maybe 5 years ago or 4 years ago, and some of these videos I was recording them, and the editing I didn't know much about, reducing the quality of the content. I just wanted to record and upload, and some of the videos are not good quality, but we cannot complain much. We should just upload those type of content so that you guys can see things that you can see, and you can learn what you can learn. And that's it, man. I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.